Everyone thinks the AI race is about smarter chatbots. It isn't. The real competition is happening behind the scenes, inside massive data centers that cost billions of dollars to build. And buying powerful AI chips is only part of the story. Electricity, cooling systems, and high-speed networking now consume a huge share of the investment. In fact, keeping those chips running can cost almost as much as buying them in the first place. That's why the world's biggest AI companies are investing hundreds of billions of dollars, not just in AI software, but in the infrastructure that makes artificial intelligence possible.
This animation style, the one you've seen in every Vox and Johnny Harris video, I built it with one prompt. You're probably thinking this needs After Effects skills, or a motion designer charging hundreds of dollars a video, or 45 minutes of hand animating every keyframe. None of that. Watch how long this actually takes. I'm not going to just tell you this works. I'm going to build one live, right now, from a blank project. No trick, no pre-made file. Start with a blank project. Click Start Blank Project, name it, then click Create. By default, you get one sentence with a 3-second duration. Click Insert to add another. Name it whatever you want because the magic isn't in the sentence name, it's in the prompt. Change the duration to 10 seconds. That's how long I want this animation to run. Now set the scene type to Motion Graphics. Enable the Animation tab for this sentence. That opens the Custom Animation chat window. Every prompt goes here. I'm building a Vox-style box animation. Open the Segmio template gallery, scroll to see Segmio in action, and pick a style. I'll use Vox01. Click it, copy the template ID, and paste it into the animation chat. Paste the information you want displayed below the template ID, then add one line. Show this information in this style. Set the model to standard and hit send. And this isn't a one-off trick for one chart style. Watch, I'll do it again with a completely different layout. Back in the template gallery, pick a split pie Vox chart this time. Copy the template ID, add your data, and write show this information in this split pie Vox chart animation using template IDX. That's it. Same workflow, different chart. Zero extra learning curve. Here's the finished render, fully animated. I told you earlier, the old way took 45 minutes. Hand animating grids, roughening edges, trimming paths, pushing keyframes from 0 to 100% one at a time. This took 5 minutes. I never opened a single piece of editing software. Pie charts, bar charts, line charts, comparisons. Every style you just watched came from a prompt. Nothing installed, nothing to learn. Link to Segmio is in the description. The free plan gives you 2,500 credits, more than enough to test this yourself. If there's a style you want me to clone next, drop it in the comments. I'll build it in the next video.